Alright, so my dad gave me a challenge and I have to, it's 2 of these. You just have to sand them. So I'm here against my will doing labor. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm tired. So yeah, I'm gonna do them, and then I have to put the rust protector on it and then spray paint them. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so using this pad, it's little grit paper. It got some of it off, but not that much. So I'm gonna try it with sander. We got these. So let's see how it works. This is what I'm gonna do it with. So yeah. Runaway cap. Alright. Few scratches in it, but we're gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna do the back side. All right, fronts are dried. I had to get ready for beach, so beach volleyball. So we're gonna spray the back of them. Yeah.
Hey, just an update. Just a couple things that were going on that I didn't record. Sunny California. So I'll show you. I'll turn the camera around and show you. I just did some seals. Got a kit from eBay. not a kit, of used parts. It's from a conversion kit that somebody else did. That horsepower sales wanted, I don't know, it's like 1,300 bucks or something like that. And I bought these for 200 bucks off eBay. Came off a Jeep with a Dana, which had the GM caliper brackets that you use GM calipers with, single piston. And then it came with the actual, where they at? Right there. It came with already 4x hubs with the rotors. 5 lug, 5 on 5.5, so original. I'm not switching to a 6 lug. But yeah, the calipers I'll show you right now. All right, so I'm waiting on the rear disc conversion, but I've replaced the seals in here. Bearings and everything were tight, so I'm trying to keep as much of the original like bearings and stuff like that. Personally, I think it was made with better steel and they last a lot longer. And if something goes out, then hey, take the third member out and replace whatever bearings, take the houses out, replace what other bearings. But everything looked really tight and nice. So got a new seal in the front right there. It's leaking from there. It wasn't leaking from this side, but I replaced it anyways. And it was leaking from this side, so I definitely had to replace that. And this one, they had the freaking seal in backwards. So, so here's the calipers that I got. So they're a 6-bolt GM caliper. It did hit the hub for the Ford 9-inch. The spindle, hub spindle. So I just had to notch a little bit. There's plenty of clearance now. Doesn't compromise anything. Still has plenty of strength. And I got these for like 200 bucks. So got that done. Then I'm gonna use, like I said, the GM caliper, single piston caliper for that. And that's it. And then I got the new wheel, front wheel hub seals, inner seals for that, because those are toast, but the bearings look really good. So I'm going to be reusing those. Like I said, I'm not trying to spend a fortune on this freaking truck. I'm trying to do everything ourselves and make it look cool. I think it's going to look pretty cool when it's all done. I got the floorboards, which I just showed you a couple pictures of those. And I decided to keep the bed. So as you can see, it has some serious cancer, but it's all centralized to right here. So I went and got, or I should say ordered, a repair panel for it. That's right where the cancer is, right there. So we're gonna be able to cut this out and put that in. The floor is rusted out in the front. So I've got some repair panels coming. I got 4 of them, just in case I find something else. But yeah, that's about it. Just gonna get this floor done. All right, thank you. All right, so I cut a section out. I didn't want to go through all this right here, but because it's still strong, so I cut right there and just cut a section out that was completely rusted. So, because I'm not about to cut out the whole floorboard and the front mount back under there, and then remount that and all that stuff. Like I said, it's driving it to high school. It'll be just fine. So I'm going to cut a bigger section out of this one right here. I'm going to cut a bigger section out of this one. I'll be over to here, up to there. Like I said, I have the whole floorboard, but over here, it's all surface. It's just can grind down and it's good to go. But main section's right here. So this right here is the real bad stuff. So that's what I'm mainly focused on. So I got the whole floorboard right here. And this is for this side, just cutting out this section right here. Gonna weld that in. Yeah. And there's the other one right there, so I'll get that done. Hopefully today. Here we go. Hey guys, just got the BDS suspension lift. This dude right here is gonna do some unpacking. Well, just putting the old leaf springs back in. And we're gonna put the old front coils and all that back in to get this on the ground. Back on its under some wheels. And then we're gonna put that. Floor pans are already in. And the fenders and everything back on. And start body working everything. Yeah, that's today's move.